Hello, curious creatives. I'm popping in with a quick video to share with you part 2 from my Mermaid Magic series. And I wanted to show you how I came up with the sketches that I use for the mermaid watercolors. So I will switch the camera around and we'll look at some of the artwork. Here is the sketch that I made for the Mermaid Magic watercolor that I filmed in the previous YouTube video, and it turned out like this. So I'll put a link to that video. It's here on my YouTube channel. And I wanted to back up and share with you some of the sketches that I started before I did the watercolors. This one's sort of torn up a little bit. I wound up not using it. But I searched for images of models in either fashion magazines or catalogs that show a head-to-toe pose, and then I improvise by giving the little model her tail. So here, this is another sketch I made from a magazine model pose that I would look for a head-to-toe image or photograph, and I would sketch from that and add on little fishtails to make her a mermaid. So where did the ideas come from? Here she is, okay? I want to find a pose that can be transformed into a mermaid lady. So this lady looked like she was the perfect model for my sketch. So from the photograph that I find for reference, I will make a sketch, and that gives me some proportion. It gives me a pose that I could use, and like I say, I improvise and I add the little fishtail on the end. So this is sort of my process of going through some magazines, looking for images that I can use as a reference, and then later it becomes a painting. So if you watched my videos, this was the watercolor I made, like I mentioned, and if you'd like to see more, please leave a comment. I will do more. And subscribe to my channel because I'm always adding art tips, art techniques, and ideas from my studio. So thanks for watching.